So burst pipes are going to be most likely from freeze breaks when that happens. Just a little example of what happens with that. So with a copper line, when the water freezes, the copper pipe gets bigger. But when the water thaws, of course the water starts flowing again, but the pipe stays the same size. When it gets cold again, it expands a little more, and that can cause the lines to start bursting. An example, we were in Dallas, and we went into a house where we thought the water had been shut off because it was a freeze, and the water had not been shut off. We walked in and there was water pouring out of the front door. The two lines on top of the water heater had actually split, and both of them were shooting water out onto the bed in the bedroom beneath it. The entire house was flooded. We got in there, we got the water shut off, we replaced the water heater, fixed the pipes, and I'm not sure what they did with all the restoration damage, but that was the burst pipe section of it.